Yellow.
About then waited patiently about till Mary did appear. Why does the lamb love Mary so? Mary so, Mary so. Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, the teacher did reply.
Purple.
Little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yum. Red.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Brown.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane? The farmer in the dell, the farmer in the dell.
Wow.
The farmer
Wow.
in the dell. The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife. Hi ho, the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the child, the wife takes the child. Hi ho, the dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi ho, the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow. Hi ho, the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog, the cow takes the dog. Hi ho, the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog. The dog takes the cat, the dog takes the cat. Hi ho, the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse, the cat takes the mouse. Hi ho, the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese, the mouse takes the cheese. Hi ho, the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone, the cheese stands alone. Hi ho, the dairy-o.
Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet.
A tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote
Blue.
a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it, dropped it, I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket.
Elephant. Black.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Lives on Drury Lane.
White.